It's such a lazy afternoon, man. So I told my story about spending all my money on DeWALT tools, and this is what happened. And let me tell you that, the back's still hurting, but even worse, there's still no money in the bank account, and I want these clamps. $40. Damn. What shall I do? Well, let's check what your shop got to offer, man. There's that material clamp I got for the miter saw from DeWALT. And I wonder, can that fit? And to my disbelief, it actually fits in. Today's conclusion. So if I can find another material clamp from DeWALT that fits into that, damn bro, I'm gonna be in the game.